Ginang.
Hi! Grabe, it's been a while since I uploaded anything on this channel. Pero yun nga, I was, looking at old photos and videos. And I saw these old videos that I took when Beanie was here in Singapore. It was back in June. I think, yeah, June 2023. And hindi pa sila sobrang sikat, hindi pa as in bonggang-bongga. They were here in Singapore for spectacle, and they were with other K-pop groups like YML, BGYO, and there's I forgot the other groups, but also Singapore groups and artists. So, ayun, sobrang natatawa lang ako sa video na to, so I really have to share this. Pero, I think mabibitin kayo kasi nung nagbi-video ako, dahil natatawa na talaga ako sa ginagawa nila, hindi ko na siya na-record, tinigil ko yung pag-record. Sana na-record ko siya ng buo. But anyway, here's a clip of that video. And, ayun, enjoy!
10 years na, as in magkakaiba na kayo ng trabaho, as meron na kayong mga ano, basta mga successful na kayo. 10 years pa.
Design yan, dalawa.
Okay, kunwari 30 years old na tayo.
Mature one.
27.
Dapat yung boses din.
Good morning everyone! So we are here now. Kasama natin ang mga dating Beanie Girls. Wow, grabe no? Parang dati, magkakasama pa tayo sa isang bayan. Ang lalakas pa natin tumawa, but now, look at these girls. Hindi na kami Beanie, ginang na. So, okay. So ngayong 10 years na, no? Before last na nagkita-kita tayo, 10 years na. And now, si Ate Aya nakabase na sa US.
Wow!
So, babigyan natin.
10 years pa na.
Pag-usapan natin maya-maya sa pagbabalik ng Rated
So, ayan na ang Beanie 30 years after. And I know, bitin, diba? Sobrang bitin yung video na yan. But it was funny, and it was a fun experience seeing them so carefree. As in, parang natural lang, and just being themselves during that time. So, yun. Bye!